What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to Cooking with Mafia. Today I will be making turkey bacon cheeseburgers with sweet Italian pork sausage corn dogs and some potato salad. As you can see, I already got the bacon done. Got the lettuce, the tomatoes, onions, peppers, little garlic, got the cheese. Is the seasoning for the potato salad. Got the batter done. Avocado, we're gonna make a banana. And I'm gonna be hooking up my meat sauce dip. Here are all the ingredients I will be using. As always, let's get cooking. Alright, first, let's get this sauce going. Okay, our meat sauce is done. I don't know if I said I added a little spinach and ricotta cheese to it. Our turkey burger is cooking up nicely. I added the sweet plátanos and the water for the potatoes and the egg is boiling. Okay, let's get at these potatoes. Okay, we peeled the potatoes. We're going to chop it up and add the rest to the pot. Okay, our sweet plátanos are done. Like I stated before, I like to caramelize mine to bring out the sweetness. Our burger is done. We're going to put the lettuce, tomatoes, and the other toppings on there with the wheat bread. Sausages are cooking up. Potatoes and eggs are cooking up. Let's get started on the salad. Okay, we added the mayo, less than a half of teaspoon of vinegar, salt, pepper, and our veggies. We're gonna mix it up. Let's keep going. There we go, our dip is done. Sausage are cooking up nicely. Potato eggs cooking up again. And plating and final results. Alright, we dipped the corn dog into the batter and we're gonna start frying it up. Alright, as you can see, we're spinning it around, cooking it up. And once again, the final results. And here is the final results of Cooking with Mafia. We have our sweet Italian chicken sausage corn dogs. I wrapped it in some cheese and some bacon, topped it with our meat sauce. We have our potato salad, bananas, avocado, got the drink. Over here we have the turkey burger with turkey bacon, lettuce, tomato, avocado, little french fries in there. As always, thanks for watching the show. Go support the Dr. Hughes Show, Geeking Out Podcast, the big homie Bobby Simmons. Want everyone to have a good night. Have a safe night. Peace.